You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this new model by Italian car manufacturer Ferrari. And it means 12 cylinders in Italian, because it's a V12, right? Dodici is how you say 12 in Italian. Dodici, cilindri. So yes, in Italian you don't add an S in the plural, but the end of the word, one cylinder would be cilindro, several cylinders is cilindri. This is why you've got an I at the end. Cilindri. Dodici cilindri. Ferrari, 12 cilindri. In English, you can say it as Ferrari, 12 cilindri. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.